This is Free Talk Business 3, Lesson 11, Review, How to be a Good Leader. Sarah, I've been thinking a lot about what it really takes to be a good CEO. That's a big question. What have you come up with so far? Well, I think I need to learn how to handle failure better without losing confidence. Absolutely. A good CEO sees failure as part of the process, not the end. And I also need to manage indifference from others. Not everyone will care as much as I do, and I can't take that personally. True, you have to stay focused on your vision even when people don't show support right away. Another big one for me is learning to prioritize. There are so many tasks, and it's easy to get pulled in every direction. Yes, not everything deserves your attention. Some things are just distracting. I've also realized that I sometimes overcommit. I need to be more realistic about my commitments and energy. That's where learning to delegate really helps. You can't do everything alone. Right. And understanding the context of each decision is key. What matters most right now and what can wait. Sounds like you're already thinking like a CEO, Aiko. Thanks, Sarah. I still have a lot to learn, but I'm ready to grow into the role. Okay, good job.